In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a page on your Wix website using the Wix Angst editor. This process is simple, quick, and incredibly useful. If you're looking to reuse a page design or maintain consistency across your site without starting from scratch. So let's dive right in. First, you'll need to open your website project in the Wix editor. Once you're logged into your Wix account, find the website you want to work on and click on the Edit Site or Edit button. This will open up the Wix editor where you can make changes to your site. On the left-hand side of the editor, you'll notice a vertical menu bar. Look for the icon labeled Pages and Menu and click on it. This section is your central hub for managing all your site's pages. Once inside, you'll see a list of all your current pages. Take a moment to scroll through and locate the page you wish to duplicate. It's important to choose the page that best suits your needs for duplication, ensuring any templates or features you'd like to keep are present. Next to each page name, you'll find a little three-dot icon. It might look small, but it holds the key to our task. Click on this three-dot icon next to the page you want to duplicate, and a drop-down menu will appear. Now, from the options presented in the drop-down menu, go ahead and select Duplicate. You'll notice that Wix automatically creates a new page. It's usually named something like Copy of Original Page Name. This new page will appear in your list of pages. At this point, you'll want to give your new page a unique and descriptive name. Click on the new page's name to rename it to something that makes sense for its intended use. This step is crucial as it helps keep your site organized, especially as it grows. Finally, feel free to dive into the new page and start editing its content as needed. Because it's an exact copy of the original, all the design elements, text, and images are already in place, giving you a head start. You can customize it to fit whatever purpose you need, whether it's to test out new content or to establish a consistent layout across different parts of your website. And there you have it. You've successfully duplicated a page on your Wix website using the Wix editor. This handy tool can save you time and ensure uniformity across your site, making it an essential skill for any Wix user. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials like this one.